LangGraph's retrieval agent demonstrates a functional pipeline for question-answering tasks, where the primary mechanism involves generating a query or direct response based on the input state. This artifact showcases the initialization of a message state and the invocation of a model-bound tool to process user queries. We are about to examine how the system handles a specific question about reward hacking by leveraging a predefined workflow that includes state management and tool integration. The code will reveal the setup of the input structure and the execution of a query response cycle.
Input equals messages, role, user, content. What does Lillian Wang say about types of reward hacking? Generate query or respond input messages -1, pretty print.
This code demonstrates a retrieval-augmented generation RAG workflow using LangGraph, where the system decides whether to retrieve context from a vector store or respond directly to a user query. The generate query or respond function serves as the entry point, using a language model bound to a retriever tool to either generate a response or invoke the tool for semantic search. The workflow follows a conditional branching pattern. If the model determines that retrieval is necessary, it calls the retrieve blog posts tool, which queries an in-memory vector store populated with embedded document chunks from Lillian Wang's blog. The retrieved documents are then evaluated for relevance using a structured output model, grade documents, which routes the flow to either answer generation or question rewriting based on the relevant score. This design ensures that only pertinent context is used for response generation, improving answer quality while maintaining efficiency. The approach balances automation with control, allowing the LLM to dynamically decide when retrieval is beneficial. This is particularly useful for domain-specific queries where direct responses might lack depth, though it introduces complexity in managing the conditional edges and document grading logic. The use of LangGraph state management and tool integration provides a clean separation between decision-making and execution nodes. Let's break it down.
Content. What does Lillian Wang say about types of reward hacking?
Creates a dictionary entry with key, content, and value. What does Lillian Wang say about types of reward hacking? That appears to be part of a larger data structure or message payload.
Generate query or respond input messages -1, pretty print.
Calls generate query or respond with the provided input, accesses the messages key from the return dictionary, retrieves the last message in that list, and prints it in a pretty printed format. This implementation showcases LangGraph's retrieve-augmented generation pipeline in action, where the system dynamically decides between direct response and context retrieval based on the query. The input structure initializes a user message that triggers the generate query or respond function, the core decision point that either generates an answer directly or invokes the retriever tool. What's particularly elegant is how the conditional branching handles domain-specific questions, like this one about reward hacking. The system first attempts retrieval from Lillian Wang's blog posts stored in the vector database, then uses the grade documents component to evaluate relevance before proceeding to answer generation. This two-stage validation ensures only high-quality context informs the final response. The design balances automation with precision. The LLM maintains control over when to retrieve, while the structured grading provides guardrails against irrelevant context. The final, pretty print call simply surfaces the last message in the conversation chain, demonstrating how the entire pipeline transforms the initial query into a contextualized answer through this retrieval-augmented workflow.
The assistant calls the tool to find what it already knows, then answers itself in silence.